Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday the 3rd of April and we're back in Dartmoor with Chris again. Oh yeah, he's ready for war. Look at that. Yeah. But yeah, we're back in Dartmoor. The plan was to go to Snowdonia, but it's like 70-mile-an-hour winds. It's raining all weekend, so yeah, we decided not to drive 4.5 to 5 hours. And decided to come to Dartmoor. So we still get out in some not great conditions. It's windy and it's rainy, but if it's not raining, it's not training, is it?
Amen.
Amen. So yeah, let's get the bags on and let's get going.
Wheels worthy, rock and roll.
What's on the cards?
The cards.
Yes sir, what's the plan of action?
So the plan of action is, well, there's a bit of a wall gone in it. I was just explaining to you that
quite a large bit of this section has no paths on.
Yeah, exactly that. And there's a few rivers and stuff like that. So
I'll get some wet knees.
yeah, it's going to be interesting conditions to say the least, and it's going to be interesting navigating.
Right, we'll get us back because I can't navigate.
Well, we've got two forms, so I've obviously got the map,
10-4
and compass, which is what I'm going to try to rely on for the most part. But again, we do have GPS as well, so it's not like we're being completely stupid and potentially getting lost and all of that lot.
What's your assessment on the weather? Have you checked?
Yeah, the weather is, to be fair, it's better than I thought it was going to be. You know, at the moment it's actually not too bad at all. Barely even raining. But again, it's supposed to be like this all day, I believe. Rain coming in and out, overcast, and very windy.
Gotcha.
But again, we must be in quite a good spot because it is not windy here at all. But yeah, gust of about 40.
Ooh. You fun putting up tents in?
Yeah. That'll be a windy night in your tent anyway.
Yeah, we'll see. Quite a pretty river.
It is, very nice. Also a very good feature to look for.
Ooh. Is that on your map, was it?
Yes, it is. It is on my map. So it's one of those things that when you're constantly going along, when you get to the start and you're planning your little stretch, you're almost looking for things along your route to go, yeah, okay, I've seen that.
Landmarks, features,
I know I'm on the right way.
hills.
So this is one of them.
Anything pretty in there? Oh, no horseshoes today. So which way?
Well, there is only really one way, but this is just a good reminder that we're heading in the right direction.
10-4. Good contact points there, Ad. Quite a scenic route this.
Huh?
Quite a scenic route this.
Yeah, no, it's nice.
Not too bad.
So this river was formed 6,000 years ago, and it was the result of some seismic activity.
What type of rock is the rock bed made of?
Igneous magma crucible rock.
I haven't played that game before.
Nah. It's the third one in the series. This is quite a weird one.
Cool, you're handling it with grace and decorum.
Oh shit.
Whoa. Yeah, that's just an added feature, man. Hard mode. Easy as pie. Right, lead the way, son.
Not bad.
Bridge.
What fish do you find in there?
What's that, sorry?
What sort of fish do you find in there?
Brown trout or something
Brown
like that.
trout.
Yeah.
Oh, you know your stuff.
I do. But today it's not the day for it because bit too rough.
So what's this moss growing on the rocks then?
Do you know? I couldn't give you an exact species.
Oh, that's
like that.
Oh, usually you do.
Because I actually haven't got to that part in my book yet.
And what book's that? Title?
Not only that. What's that? Sorry.
Title of the book?
Nature in Snowdonia. I can't think of the author.
Gotcha.
There's no actual path on this map, which isn't ideal.
Well, we can just look on the horizon for an obvious landmark.
Yeah. So I've just set a bearing from where we are to roughly where we want to get to.
Fuck it all. Good navigating, Ed. I mean, that probably looks mega slick. Prove it. Nice. Not bad at all. That could have been a bit wetter.
Right, bit of a time jump. We're both sat in our tents now. Fortunately, we found somewhere to pitch because, as you can probably hear, the weather is brutal out there. Very windy, very wet. But yeah, what's the time? Probably about 6 o'clock. So yeah, this should probably be us for the night now. I've got some munch down that end there. So for lunch tonight, I've got pot noodle. We've got a hot cross bun, I've got some sweeties, and I've got a chocolate bar. Tomorrow morning I've got porridge. Oh, I forgot my sugar. No, I know I forgot something. Oh well. But yeah, I've got porridge tomorrow, and a Cocoa Pops bar. Let's have a little look out, let's see what's going on. Wow. Yeah, pretty bad out there.
We're about to get wet. We're about to get a bit cold.
It's about to be brutal.
Pretty well shielded here.
Mate, luck. That's what that was. Luck.
Right, round the corner. Go on then, Nav. And cool. Oh, fucking hell. don't step in that bit, Ed. Ooh.
How are your feet, Ed? Wet.
Minute now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all just going to evaporate all at once, including inside my boot.
Well, that's the problem, to be honest, because below you can see the water coming out of your boots. You're part of the reason this footpath is as wet as it is, because you're bringing. Where's the way?